हॅलो डिअर स्टुडंट्स, तुम्हाला माहिती आहे की आपण इंग्लिश स्पोकन लँग्वेज या दृष्टिकोनातून एक सिरीज चालू केलेली आहे. जी सिरीज तुम्हाला तुमच्या लहान भावाला बहिणीला अतिशय उपयोगात येणार आहे. आपण अगदी 10-20 व्हिडिओजमध्ये एक बेसिक पोर्शन पाहणार आहोत. आपली जी प्रोसेस आहे इंग्रजी लँग्वेज शिकण्याची, राईट फ्रॉम इझिएस्ट पोर्शन टुवर्ड्स द डिफिकल्ट पोर्शन. आणि म्हणून सुरुवातीचा जो भाग आहे हा आपण अगदी बेसिक गोष्टीपासून पाहत आहोत, जेणेकरून पुढे चालून ज्या आपल्याला काही डिफिकल्टीज येणार आहे लँग्वेजेसमध्ये, ती डिफिकल्टी आपल्याला टाळता येईल. राईट, ओके. So let's get started. So in yesterday's video, we have seen the concept of is, am, are. These three helping forms are used in present tense. We learned that how affirmative sentences, negative sentences and interrogative sentences are made in is, am, are in this form. In today's video, we are going to study the concept of was and were. These was and were, these two helping forms are used in past tense. Right? Now what we are going to study today, that how affirmative sentences, negative sentences and interrogative sentences are made, particularly by taking was and were. Right? So see here, as usual, I have written 7 subjects on the board. These 7 subjects are very essential and very important from language point of view. Those who are new learners, for them the concept of I, we, you, he, she, they we have seen in the very first video. Right? So we have seen the nature. Now we are going to study was and were, these helping forms, and how these was and were are used in sentences. Okay, चल तर पहा हे सेंटेन्सेस आपण कसे यूज करू शकतो. See here, first of all we have to make the division between was and were among 7. For example, I was, we were, you were. See, whether it is singular you or plural you, we have to take plural form, that is were. Then he was, she was, it was, and they were. So now we have to write meaningful sentences related with past tense. Okay, for example, here I was a naughty boy. I was a naughty boy when I was in 5th class. You may write the further part also. I was a naughty boy when I was in 5th class. म्हणजे मी 5th class मध्ये असताना मी naughty boy होतो. We were there at Pune last month. We were there at Pune last month. मागल्या महिन्यामध्ये आपण पुण्याला होतो. You were my classmate there in Jagru school. See, you were my classmate there in Jagru school. तू माझा जागृत शाळेमध्ये क्लासमेट होतास. He was a great freedom fighter. He was a great freedom fighter. ते महान असे फ्रीडम फायटर होते. शी वॉज अ spiritual lady. She was a spiritual lady. For example, another sentence, it was your fault. It was your fault. ते तुझी चुकी होती. She was a spiritual lady. ती एक आध्यात्मिक स्त्री होती. He was a great freedom fighter. ते एक महान फ्रीडम फायटर होते. यू वर माय क्लासमेट देअर इन जागृत स्कूल. तू माझा जागृत स्कूलमध्ये क्लासमेट होतास. वी वर देअर ॲट पुणे लास्ट मंथ. मागल्या महिन्यामध्ये आपण पुण्याला होतो. अँड आय वॉज अ नॉटी बॉय. जस्ट लाईक आय टोल्ड यू फेन आय वॉज इन 5th क्लास. मी 5वीत असताना मी नॉटी बॉय होतो. सो सी द लास्ट सेंटेन्स, दे वर ऑल रॉबर्स. I have made noun here plural. They were all robbers. ते सगळे रॉबर्स होते, ते सगळे चोर होते. आता या संपूर्ण स्ट्रक्चरमध्ये मी एक गोष्ट केलेली नाही आहे, ती तुमच्या लक्षात येत असेल. आय हॅव नॉट यूज्ड मेन व्हर्ब. मला कुठलाही मेन व्हर्ब या स्ट्रक्चरमध्ये यूज करावा लागला नाही. आणि जर या स्ट्रक्चरमध्ये आपण मेन व्हर्ब यूज करत असेल तर ते सेंटेन्स आपलं चुकीचं होईल. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, he was go, he was find, he was write. असं सेंटेन्स आपल्याला करायचं नाही. he was writing, that is correct sentence, but we don't have to take such type sentences right now. When we will study tenses, at that time we need to take the action verbs. So these sentences are only affirmative, because affirmations are taken here. In no sentence we have not taken not, or we have not written negative sentences here, right? So you can also make more and more sentences in this type. Only one you people don't have to take main verb here in this today's pattern and yesterday's pattern also. Again I speak out some different sentences for the simplification so that you will get the idea clear. See, I was unhappy yesterday. मी काल unhappy होतो. We were good cricketers in our childhood. You were my English teacher in the past. तुम्ही माझे English teacher होते. For example, here we have change this subject and write there. For example, Shivaji Maharaj was a great king of Maratha. Shivaji Maharaj was a great king of Maratha. Here I have not taken any action verb because we don't have to take action verb in this pattern. She was, for example, Savitribai Phule was the first lady teacher, or she was a very mild lady. She was a very mild lady. It was your car. It was your way of doing study. ते तुझी अभ्यास करण्याची पद्धत होती. And they were all people from America. They were all people from America. So like this we need to write affirmative sentences. Okay, so अशा प्रकारे तुम्हाला काही सेंटेन्सेसची प्रॅक्टिस करायची आहे. त्यानंतर आता आपण निगेटिव्ह सेंटेन्सेस पाहणार आहोत आणि त्यानंतर इंटरॉगेटिव्ह पाहणार आहोत.